to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we have another guest, but before we get started, mega love shout out to my friends and family, and mega love shout out to my dad. I hope you're watching this and I love you. And mega love shout out to my Lola. I love you and I hope you're watching this. Please welcome Senreen Ivy.
Hi guys, ayan, right now I'm playing one of the request song, of course, ayan, galing po kay Miss Malin Rorotalia Vargas. Ayan po, ang request niya is Alam Mo Ba by Vina Morales. Of course, first, don't forget to subscribe the Sassy Siblings with Mom, ayan po. And then together with my co-singers, Quincy Bard, and of course mine, Ivy Mendoza on our YouTube channel. Ayan, don't forget to subscribe and follow na rin po. Ayan, thank you so much. Of course, now play na po natin ayan ang request song ni Miss Malin Rorotalia Vargas. Ayan, Alam Mo Ba by Miss Vina Morales. Ito na po, para po sa inyo. I hope you like this, guys. Alam mo ba, magmula nang makilala ka, damdamin ko ay di mapalagay. Puso ko'y may kaba, umibig na ba? Alam mo ba, sa panaginip ko, laging ikaw ang nakikita ko. Ano bang nasa sayo at napapago ako? Ikaw ang tanging dahilan kung kaya ang puso ko'y umiibig sa unang pagkakataon. Minsan na may nagtatanong, baka manghangalang ang aking Alam mo ba, nalulumbay ako kapag nag-iisa. Ang tanging hinahanap ko ay walang iba kundi ikaw, aking sinta. Ikaw ang tanging dahilan kung kaya ang puso ko'y umiibig sa unang pagkakataon. Minsan na may nagtatanong, sa nag-request kay Miss Malin Rorotalia Vargas. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. Ayan, the Sassy Siblings with Mom, of course, together with Quincy Bart. And I'm Mendoza on our YouTube channel. Thank you!